Hey, it's Friday afternoon and we got a shower above the city of Montreal here at the Montreal Rail Park here at the Pointe St.Charles yard with some switchers working. Yeah, I can hear it back there. There it is. A GP40-2W and a GP38-2W, regular, and the GT Caboose. That's cool. Where's that going? Nice to see the GT Caboose working in there. Only 3 cars though. More than 3 cars, a couple, about 5 or 6. About 4:20 p.m. on the 17th. The 17th of June, 2026. Yeah, it's coming back. Are they kicking? Maybe they're kicking cars. Oh, they're connecting. And looks like the showers have stopped for a minute. A little windy today. But it is worth it to see them using the Caboose, the old GT Caboose. Alright, they're pushing back. Oh, look at that smoke. The rain is starting again. But how often do I see that GT Caboose in action here at the rail park? So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.